Have you ever felt stuck in life, even when you're working hard? Many people are not poor because of money. They are poor in their mind. Today, we will talk about the one mindset shift that can change everything. What does it mean to be poor in mind? It means thinking like a poor person, even when you have chances to grow. You always say, I can't afford it, or this is not for people like me. You focus on problems instead of solutions. You play small because you're afraid of falling. This kind of thinking keeps people broke, not their bank accounts. Let me give you a simple example. Two friends graduated from the same university. Both started with nothing. The first one always complained. Jobs are too hard to find. The economy is bad. He waited for the perfect opportunity. 5 years later, he was still struggling. The second friend asked a different question. How can I create value? How can I solve problems for others? He started a small side business while working. He failed many times, but he learned. Today, he runs a successful company. What was the differences? Just one mindset shift. The shift is this. Stop thinking like an employee. Start thinking like an owner. An employee asks, how much will I get paid? An owner asks, how much value can I create? This single change changes your decision, your risk, and your results. When you think like an owner, you become more creative, more responsible, and more confident. So, how do you make this shift? First, change your language. Instead of saying, I can't afford it, ask, how can I afford it? Second, focus on learning and solving problems every day. Third, take small action even when you are scared. Action kills fear. Fourth, surround yourself with people who think big. Remember, money follows mindsets. When your mind becomes rich, your life becomes rich. You don't need to wait for luck. You don't need the perfect conditions. You only need to stop being poor in your mind. Start today. Ask yourself, am I thinking like an owner or like an employee? Choose the owner mindset. Your future self will thank you.